Hey there. Are you experiencing connection problems and want to learn how to fix DNS issues in your Orbi router? Don't worry. I've got a step-by-step guide to help you troubleshoot and resolve these pesky DNS problems for a smoother and more reliable internet experience. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First things first, let's make sure your internet connection is working properly. Before delving into DNS settings, verify that your connection isn't the root cause of the issue. Check the modem's status light and ensure it's online. If your connection is down, try rebooting your modem and router. Step 2. Reboot your Orbi router. Sometimes a simple reboot can resolve DNS issues. To reboot your Orbi router, unplug it from the power source. Wait about 30 seconds and then plug it back in. Allow the router a few minutes to fully reboot, then check if the DNS issue persists. Step 3. Update Orbi firmware. Keeping your Orbi router's firmware up to date can eliminate known bugs and enhance performance. Log into your Orbi router's web interface by typing its IP address into your browser's address bar. After logging in, navigate to the firmware updates section. Follow the on-screen instructions to check for and install any available updates. Step 4. Configure DNS setting. If rebooting and updating do not solve the problem, it's time to manually configure the DNS setting. Open your Orbi's web interface again and go to the Internet or WAN setting. Look for the DNS settings section and manually enter DNS server addresses. Google's DNS servers, for example, are 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. After entering the addresses, save your changes and restart your router. Step 5. Flush DNS cache on connected devices. Sometimes the issue is not with the router itself, but with the devices connected to it. Try flushing the DNS cache on your devices. For Windows, run command prompt as an administrator and enter ipconfig/flush DNS. For macOS, open terminal and type sudo kill-all-hup mDNS responder. This clears old cache data and might solve DNS issues. By following these steps, you should be able to tackle DNS issues head-on and enjoy a seamless internet experience with your Orbi router. Whether it's simply rebooting the router, updating firmware, or manually configuring DNS settings, these actions can make a world of difference. Remember to periodically check your internet connection and maintain your equipment to minimize disruption. With these solutions in your toolkit, you're well-equipped to keep your online activities running smoothly. Say goodbye to DNS errors and hello to reliable, uninterrupted internet access.